This is a message for my YouTube subscribers as well as all of you interested in gentle somatic yoga and somatic wellness as a way of incorporating movement and meditation into your lifestyle. I am energized right now, moving into the holiday season. Here in North America, we celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas, and there's these big sales that happen around this time of year, which I'm going to talk about in just a little bit, that what we have going on. But I just wanted to first say thank you so much for your interest, your loyalty, your participation with the programs that we offer. I am blown away each year of my career just how the global communities coming together. I call you my somatic family. And I'm getting chills right now. Those nice kind of somatic chills. How much I love and appreciate when we come together and learn something together. Gentle somatic yoga is an evolving practice, and as I get informed by new neuroscience, and of course, learning from my students, other experts in the field that come and take our training courses, when I'm traveling internationally, retreats, I just feel so touched that there's such an interest in learning how to age gracefully and learning how to self-regulate and take health into our own hands, and that we can share our resources with each other. So thank you so much. It does give me fuel and passion to keep creating new programs and content. So you can expect that for the end of this year and also the beginning of next year, 2025. So back to talking about the sales. So, we like to offer, this is a time where we can be generous. You have definitely been generous with us, so this is a way for us to give back. Many people have been asking about our training program. So we have 40% off all level training program right now. I think it amounts to almost $900 savings for GSY level 1, 2, and level 3 courses. What's nice about buying the all levels online program is that you can mix and match live stream and in person. So you're paying for the tuition basically and online access. But if you choose to do something with me in person or a faculty member, live stream or in person, then you can apply that to credit for future programs. Also, we have Somatic Wellness TV. That's our virtual library where we hold all of our follow along videos. We update that every month. It's a subscription-based platform. It's minimal. It's like $9 a month or even less when you subscribe for a year. But we're including that along with our annual subscription to Somatic Sanctuary. Some of you have come to my Somatic Sanctuary. It's a once a month, 2-hour live stream workshop, usually on a Saturday. So that's a sliding scale, but you can also purchase for a year. Many people do. So we're including the Somatic Wellness TV annual subscription with Somatic Wellness TV. No, Somatic Sanctuary workshop for a year. So both of those as a bundle, and it's 40% off, and it saves a couple $100. So anyway, we're hoping that this gives you incentive to want to keep learning with us, continue your journey with us. Not only do we cater to yoga therapists, yoga teachers, body workers, but also the everyday person who just wants to invest in their health and feel empowered by adding generative life force decisions to amplify health and well-being. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also look in the comments below in the description of this video, because that will outline how to take advantage of these special offers. And then if you have any questions, just direct message me, James Knight, founder of Gentle Somatic Yoga. And we love to take care of you. We love to help your education, your continued education. So happy holidays, everyone. And I hope I get to see you real soon.